Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Yes? I'm so excited. It's me, EUZHANY, and I'm gonna talk in English today. So for those who don't know me, I'm doing YouTube videos when I'm not lazy, okay? If it's your first time on my channel, welcome to the family. I wanted to do this for so freaking long. Like, you guys have no idea. I've been training, okay, since like 2015 in my bathroom and say like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and now I can finally say it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, we're gonna get started. I hope you're ready. I'm gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna talk. You're gonna learn some stuff about me. Honestly, I love to talk. Just sit back, just relax. Take a deep breath. Okay, let's get ready. If you want to know all the products that I'm using, I'm gonna list it down below. Honestly, I feel like an American or English beauty guru. I've been watching YouTube videos for so long. I never really related to any French YouTubers. I cannot talk into my makeup at the same time. I don't know about y'all. You know, when I was watching those videos, I was like, oh my god, it's so cool. I want to be a YouTube guru also. I still spend a lot of time on YouTube. You know, all these makeup videos that I'm watching, you know, outfit videos, they always in English. My face is so dry. I don't understand why. I don't understand, bitch. Don't understand. When I'm doing videos, I'm always thirsty. Drink your water, guys. Stay hydrated. Stay hydrated. Yes. I wanted to say something. A little disclaimer. I'm just having fun. I'm still learning English, so I do some mistakes, okay? I do a lot of mistakes, a lot of grammar mistakes, you know, pronunciation mistakes. My English is not really perfect. I just wanted to have fun, you know what I mean? I don't know, I feel like what is missing on my channel is me having fun. Back then, when I started YouTube, I was like, oh my god, like, what do people gonna think? I'm still questioning, you know, when I'm doing videos, like, what am I gonna do? Like, is people gonna like it? I always bothered about what people will think about me, you know? I'm a people pleaser. I wanna do everything right, not for myself, but mostly for people. You know, actually, it's a good thing, but it's also a bad thing. You think more about people than yourself. You seek the validation of people. It's good, you know, to think about other people, but sometimes you forget about yourself. And yeah, that's why I'm saying that I should have more fun on my channel and do things that I like, because I'm always scared to do wrong. Let's be honest, I hate failure. I'm growing and I accept that failure is part of my growth. I accept that some people will always have something to say. Realizing that, that's why I kind of told myself, you know what? Okay, you're gonna do whatever you want now. When I realized that I needed to stop being a people pleaser, I started like to tell myself, you know what? Do you. You know what I mean? Like, do you? I'm 22. I feel like I'm growing, but slowly. You know what I mean? I'm still a baby. In order for me to grow, I need to accept that some people will criticize your work. Some people, you know, they will not accept that you do some stuff. I want to do more stuff for myself and not for people. I want to say less no's to me, you know, and more yes. And doing this video, I was kind of stressed. I was like, oh my god, should I do it? You know, because I don't have any English viewers. Sometimes I question myself a lot, way too much, and I never take actions. I always talk, I talk way too much. I did like a natural beat because I have nowhere to go, and like in 2 hours I'm gonna get rid of this makeup. I'm gonna use this palette, this dirty palette. I'm not gonna lie, I was really scared to do this video because I know that some people hate English. Like, some French people, let me say something to you guys, some French people hate English. Like, they hate English. They hate it. I feel like English is their biggest enemy. They hate when you mix French and English. It's called Franglish. They hate it. It's like, oh, why are you doing the American? You're not American. Why are you using English? It's annoying. Like, why are you talking like that? It's really annoying because, hey, I did go to school. I did learn my English. Now I want to use it. You know what I mean? I want to use it. I feel like some words sounds cooler in English than French. And let's be honest with ourselves. American culture is everywhere. Everywhere. The language is everywhere. I know some people will ask me, how did you learn English? My mom, when I was little, she will put some cartoons in English. My favorite one was to be Rise and Shine.
Rise and Shine.
Okay. I love music. I love to sing. And I always look for the lyrics in English. That's something that really helped me. I'm still watching shows with the subtitles. I'm not that fluent. I still do some mistakes. My accent is not that on point. My English is really not that perfect. Trust me. I don't know about y'all, but I feel like my personality changed. When I'm talking in another language, let's say Spanish, I feel like I'm sexy. But basically, I feel like I have another personality when I'm talking in English. I don't know why. During the week, I never do my makeup. Never. Like, I'm so lazy.
Oh my god, what is that?
I like it. I don't know if I'm gonna do like, you know, more YouTube videos in English, but I think I will. I kind of enjoy it. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. This is something about me. Like, I feel more confident, way more confident to say some stuff in English than French. French, everyone will understand. You know, in English, some people still not understand. Some stuff are easier to say in English. If I want to talk about sex, if I want to talk about boyfriends, I feel like I'm more confident to talk about those things. I don't know why. I feel like I talk a lot. People already told me like, oh, you always have something to say. Like, you talk a lot. I like what I'm saying. I'm trying to finish it really fast because my camera, I'm scared that it will die again. Like, I love this camera because it, you know, it's smooth. Kind of face tune my skin, you know, so you think that I have a good skincare routine, but I don't. I honestly don't. I really didn't plan this video at all. I just said to myself like, okay, you're gonna sit down in front of the camera. You're gonna say, hi guys. That's my first video. I'm trying to reach okay. I should do a Q&A. I don't know if I should do it in English or, you know, in French. I feel like this brush is so old school, but I'm gonna use it. And next is my lip. Oh my god, the video is about to end. I feel like I didn't actually talk that much. What's the thing you hate doing in your makeup? Me, it's my brows. Like, I don't like to do it. Sometimes I never do my brows. Like, can you believe it? I would leave the house without doing my brows. And since the pandemic, I cannot do my lips. All my glosses are sad. I can't wait till like this pandemic is over and we can finally going out without masks on. Honestly, some people are missing out on my beauty. Ooh, I love see. Who's that girl? I feel like I need to change and take like some pictures for the gram or even like just a story so you can see what is missing. No, I have no one to impress but myself. Just saying. There's no one out there that I want him to be my crush. Like, go away. I don't even have a crush right now and I don't want to have one because I want to end 2020 and I want to start 2021 without a man. Please. Thank you. I'm done with men, okay? I'm done. That's it for this video. Again, thank you for watching this video. Just be ready to hear me speak in English more often because that's something that I really like to do. I was gonna stress, you know, but I promise I will try to do my best to be more like, you know, chill and everything. And yeah, guys, I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. I put the subtitles so I can see, you know. You can learn some French with me or you can learn some English. I don't know what to say. Just thank you. Thank you. Take care of you. Take care of your family. family during these days. I hope you're doing well, okay? I love you guys and see you in my